Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from Black+Decker and it's a 3.6 volt rotary cutter. Now you'd be using one of these to cut cardboard and also material, and I've been looking at one of these for some time and finally thought I'd get one in. So like all my videos, let's get it out of the box, see what we've got in the box and also how well this works at cutting cardboard. So the first thing out of the box is the very slim manual, and this covers the operation and shows you the various parts of the actual rotary cutter. So that's the first thing out of the box. Next is an all-important USB to USB-C cable, because this has an internal battery, and to charge it they've included a USB-C cable, which is pretty good, and it's also one of those sort of flat ones, it's not a round cable, so that's also nice too. And finally we've got the rotary tool itself, and as you can see it's not particularly big, it fits very comfortable in the hand. Now you've got a trigger here and a button here, and you have to push those together to operate it. On this side you've got your USB-C charging port plus an LED light to let you know when it's charged or if it's going flat. You've got your rotary cutting wheel here, and I believe you can get replacements quite easily for it. And that's pretty much all of it. So if I hold these two buttons down you can hear how loud it is. So it's not too loud. So next let me get some cardboard and we'll just cut some stuff with it and see how well it cuts. Okay, so we've got a bit of cardboard here, and it's not really a thin piece of cardboard, it's quite a thick piece actually. So let's try this with this rotary cutter. So we'll hold the two buttons down like so, and it goes really well actually. It cuts very quick, and I like the fact that it also cuts quite straight. So if you've got a lot of boxes to cut, this would be great for that. But it'd also be quite good if you're doing craft stuff and you want to cut quite straight lines on cardboard. It also works well with fabric, and you could probably also use it with shade cloth. So overall I think this is a great little tool, and if you're after one of these I would recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.